Hello guys, greetings to all. Myself Imran Alam and I welcome you to all to my channel SAP Masters. So guys, here you will learn SAP like never learned before. So today's we are going to cover SAP methodology. So let's begin our topic. SAP methodology. Okay. So here you can see what this SAP stand for. SAP stand for Accelerated System Application Product in Data Processing. Here I will mention one short definitions about SAP. So just read by yourself and I will let you know what it is and what are the phases we are going to cover in this sessions. There are 5 phases over here in SAP methodology. The first one is the project preparation, the second is business blueprint, next is realization, the next is the final preparation, the final fifth phase is go live and support. So ASAP in these sessions we are going to cover one by one these all 5 phases. So let's start from the first phase, that is project preparations. I've given those very short definitions over here so you can just read by yourself, and what things we are going to perform in project preparation, like project planning, team size and deciding team size and team members, how many team members are there, like this, kickoff meetings. Okay, so let me tell you in very easy language. In project preparations we are collecting or gathering informations regarding business process, regarding the how their performance, regarding their how they are performing, their running their business. Okay, so once I'm repeating, in this project preparations we are collecting informations and resources. Okay, in this session we are deciding how many members are there, how many members are required to complete this implementation process, maybe from our side how many consultants are there involved in this projects, and to whom we are discussing this. We are discussing with the core team members from the client side. Who are the core team members? They are the top level managers, they are from top level management, they are the top level managers from each departments. They are, those are core team members. Okay, like general manager, CFO, CEO. Okay, just like this. So in this phase we are discussing about their project planning, means how much time it takes. This kind of discussions is going to be happen in this project preparations. Okay, then the next phase is business blueprint. So what is business blueprint? Business, the blueprint is just a document prepared based on the requirement gathered from client. Okay guys, it's just nothing, it is a just documents where all the requirements are mentioned from the client side, and our approval as well, our approvals from the consultants. Okay, so we will do this one accordingly are to be mentioned over here. So what is the use of this preparing this kind of documents? Let us suppose sometimes what happens that in future maybe it will happen that clients say no, we didn't say these things, why you make these things, and we want these things, we want like this. Such kind of circumstances will not be created in future. To avoid this such kind of issues or conflicts, we make business blueprint. In business blueprint phase there are two types of document, there are two other types of documents is prepared. That first one is as is document and to be document. Dears, about as is document in to be documents I will let you know in another sessions. I will arrange one another sessions and there itself I will give you a brief introductions about what is as is document and to be document. For now itself just know these things. As is document is prepared from client side, to be document is prepared from consultant side or service or from our consultants. In as is document they are going to write each and everything, what are the their means what are their requirements as per their business process or workflow. They are going to mention over here that in that as is documents. And in to be documents we are going to mention, okay, so we are going to do these things like this, these process we are going to do this like in this way. Okay, to be documents. And the final document is prepared by agreeing both parties, that is called business blueprint. Okay, on the basis of business blueprint, all the next steps will be taken. Okay, this is there. I have in third point, you can see I have wrote it here, gap. What is gap? Gap analysis, the process difference between the legacy system and SAP systems. It means that, let us suppose, I will give you one example. Let us suppose client give 10 requirements. I want this. Okay, but after analyzing, consultants say that okay, after from these 10 things, we can give you only, we can do only this eight things. Okay, two things we are not going to perform. So why? Because these two things are not as per the SAP standards, so it needs customization. And the customization is in another it is in another scenario. For customizations, what that member have to do, they have to discuss with our project manager, their core team member discuss with their project manager. If they both agree, as per, after agreeing and after approval from our uh, after getting approval from our project managers, then only consultant will do the customization process. Okay, so this is called gap analysis. So anyhow, we have to fill this gap, or consultant will fill this gap by doing customizing. Okay, so this is this things. And one more things, in the business blueprint, let us suppose all the this process will take, definitely takes more time. Okay, so let us suppose client say no, we don't have this much of times, we have to complete this process in 2 months, 3 months, like this. If they don't go with this long process, so for that for that situations, they have to create, there's one another system is there, they have to create BRD documents. Okay, what is BRD? Business required documents. Okay, BRD documents, they have to create BRD, business required documents. In this document, uh, this is not all the things are not mentioned clearly. In short it is all the things are mentioned over there, and they just approved by project manager as well as they are from their core team members. Okay, so and accordingly by as per BRD documents, the next steps to be taken by our consultants. Okay, so after business blueprint, the third phase is realization. What it is? In realization, the purpose of this phase is to implement all the business requirement based on the business blueprint. Whatever the uh, discussion took place in previous phases, or in project preparations, or in on project preparations, or in business blueprint, as per the business blueprint, we have to configure this their system. Okay, so what we are doing in this phase, we are configuring. Unit testing is done, integration will be done. Okay, in configurations, all the things will be configured as per their requirements, which to be which is already mentioned in that business blueprint. Only as per the business blueprint, the consultant are going to be done any configurations. Okay, not more than that, anything or less than that. After configurations, our consultant will do testing, unit testing. What is unit testing? Unit testing means, let us suppose FI have different there are different modules are there. Let's suppose in FI they configure AP part, that is account payable part, or maybe just take asset part, anything, or account receivable part. So for that, completions after completions of AP part, configuration part, okay, so they have to test whether it is running or not. Okay, this is called unit testing. Integration testing means after completions of each modules, like FI, after configuring all the parts of FI modules, and after configuring all the parts of MM module, same like that SD, then what is this? What is there? They have to, their integration took place. Integrations will take place between FIMM, FISD, FIPP. Okay, so that testing is called integration testing. uh, Dear guys, in any videos you will never find the types of anyone is explaining about the type of testings and all these things. I hope that's why I always in the starting of my videos I always tell you that you will learn SAP here like never learned before. That's the only reasons in each and every videos I'm in initial times I told you that you will learn SAP like never learned before. Okay, let's leave it. uh, Types of testing. Okay, there are three types of testing: unit, UT, IT, UAT. UT stand for unit testing. As I already told you that unit testing part wise part like APAR. From this I'm talking from FI module. Okay, same for all modules. Integration testing, I already told you that the integrations after configuring integration part, they have to test whether it is working fine or not. Okay, UT and IT is done by our consultants, and the third one is UAT. UAT is done by client side or from their end users. They will do this UAT test in final preparation stage. In final preparation phase they will do this UAT testing. Okay, or the UTIT testing. These all testing will be done in final preparation phase itself. Okay, these are the types of testings. The next one is final preparation. So in this phase what we are going to cover in this phase, what we are going to do in this phase, this is our fourth phase of SAP methodology. Okay, in this phase we are going to majorly we are going to integration testing. As I already told you that what is integration testing. UAT, as I already it is also just now I told you that what is UAT testing. Now the cutover activities, what it is. What is cutover activity? The uploading of transaction data and master data from legacy system to SAP system is called cutover activities. Guys, I will give you another sessions where I will explain you in brief about cutover activities because it is a broad concept. So I will let you know in another sessions. It is not possible to tell you in this sessions. Okay. So for this cutover activity, I will give you another sessions for cutover activities. Just for now, you just understand uploading of transactions data and the master data from legacy system to SAP system. What is legacy system? Legacy system is an old system. Legacy system is an old system used by organization before implementing SAP. So before implementations of SAP, what the system they are using, non-SAP system, this is called that is called legacy system. So in this final preparations, we are also preparing end user training. We are giving end user and we are giving training to their end users. We are preparing manuals for them also. Okay, for their future reference. And the last one is we can see there are many more things we are doing in this final preparation. These are the major things, and the next one is configurational document. What it is? Whatever the configurations we have done in this system, in their systems, we have to make a proper document for that. And this is a very confidential, so it will be handed over to the top level management only who are responsible for this to them itself. So what is the use of this giving? The use is, let us suppose in future they are going to means they are going to give they are going to like means and they are going to implement any rollout projects. They are going to go with any rollout project or the support project. So maybe they will not they will hire another service company for um, all this means yeah, they will hire another service based company for rollout project. So for them it is very helpful for those guys who are going to do the rollout projects for this company in this configuration, because from this configurational document they come to know that yeah, these things are going to be configured, these are the customized, and these are the uh, SAP standard one. And as well as from the support project also they come to know about yeah, what are the things which already have configured, and accordingly they will, if they want any enhancement or any changes, they can change accordingly. Okay, so for that reason we are preparing this configurational document also. Okay, the next and the last stage is final phase is go live and support. All the transport will be moved from development system to production system. Okay, guys, don't confuse what is development system, what is production system. There are three system in SAP. We also call as a landscape. Sometimes you can what is tell me the landscape, how many types of landscape are there. So there are three systems in SAP: development system, quality systems, and production systems. I will provide you another sessions for this, don't worry. Okay, for now just understand that moving data from development system, all the data from development system to production system. In production system, end user will perform. Okay, only in production system end user can perform only in production system itself. So I will give you another session, don't worry about this. Okay, so in go live and support, what is go live? System is ready to record live transactions. And in support means post implementations. Okay, all SAP related maintenance or error activities come under this support project. Okay, after implementation, then support will be going till the companies use this system, SAP system. Okay, till the SAP exists in the company, the support project will be support will be go. So what it is here, what we are doing here? Here consultant receive tickets or errors, solve them and send back to client. Okay, these are the things which they perform, the consultant perform in this support project. Okay guys, as I already told you that what is the means I will give you another session for development and production systems, as well as this one about the I told you that this things what I said you told you in this cutover activities and all. Okay, so I hope you understand very well about this five phases. I repeat, there are five phases. Please remember these five phases. In SAP method, there are five phases are there. The first one is project preparations. The second one is business blueprint. Third one is realization, final preparations, and the last one is go live and support. Please remember these things. Okay, and just know this in which phases what we are going to do, because it is very important. These phases are to be going to be followed while doing implementing SAP. Okay, hope you enjoy this session, enjoy these sessions and learn from these sessions. So guys, for now, thank you and thanks for watching this, and thank you so much. Okay guys, bye bye, thank you.